our new birds. This is my bird, Lucky.
Come on, up.
This is his bird, Pepper. In honor of our bird that died.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, that is very sad. But yeah, Lucky has attitude. I'm trying to get it on tape so I can show you how attitudey he is. He bit me. No. Back. Get back from him. He just went towards my nephew. He bit me. Go on. He can't. Sorry guys, I just get scared around him. Good boy. I have to chase after him. So yeah, I can't even put him in the cage because he bites. Lucky! Are you getting all poofed up? Huh? I'm trying to show you his face, but he's scary. There's Louie. What's going on? Here's Louie. Our peach face or lovebird. So you can see I'm patting him right now. You know I want to give up. Mom, can you get him off the door?
Get the tape tail around you. It's the only way you can get off the door.
Okay, and that's all for today, guys.
Yeah, put him away.
So see you next time. Bye.